Good morning, students. Myself, Aarti Sharma, Associate Professor in Computer Science Engineering Department. Today, we are going to cover robotics in artificial intelligence. It is a part of Unit 5th. In today's lecture, we are going to cover role of robotics in artificial intelligence. What are robotics? What are robots? What is robotics? Difference in robot system and other AI programs, and the application areas of robotics. The very first thing is, what are the various research areas in artificial intelligence? As in the figure we can see, there are various fields in artificial intelligence to explore expert system, neural networks, robotics, fuzzy logic, and natural language processing. And now we are going to discuss about robotics. The with the invention of machines or computers, their ability to perform different tasks went on increasing day by day. So the robotics comes in the field when we want to decrease the manual task by the humans. Humans have developed the power of computer systems in the terms of diverse working domains with the increasing speed and the reducing size with respect to time, and that is why we are handling most of the tasks with the help of robots in respect to the humans. What are robots? These are the artificial agents acting in the real world environment in place of humans. The objective of using the robots are aimed at manipulating the objects by perceiving, picking, moving, modifying the physical properties of object, destroying it, or to have an effect by freeing the manpower from doing some functions or typical tasks without getting distracted or exhausted, and without any hurt. So that is why the robots come in the our real world. Now, what is robotics? The robotics is a domain in the artificial intelligence that deal with the study of creating the intelligence and the efficient robots. The aspects of robotics is related to the mechanical construction, form, shape design for a particular task. As we have to design different robots for different tasks, and their shape and structures are different to do the same task. They have electrical components with the power and control the machineries. They control some level of computer programming is needed to handle the task, that what, when, and how a robot do something to complete a desired task. Robotics is a branch of AI which is composed of all the other fields of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and the computer science itself for designing, construction, and the applications of robots. Now comes the point, what is the difference in a robot system and the other AI programs? The major difference is, the very first difference is, they operate as in a normal AI program operate in a computer simulated world, whereas the robots works in a real physical world. The normal AI programs, the other AI programs we have already discussed, are having the input to the AI program. We need to give an input in the form of symbols and rules to generate the desired outputs. In the robots, the inputs is in the analog signals in the form of speech waveforms or images, and accordingly the robots will work. The other AI programs need a general purpose computers to operate on them, and whereas in the robots they need special hardware with the sensors and effectors. So these are some basic differences between the robot system and the other AI programs. Now comes the point, what are the application areas of robotics in the real world? The very first is industries. As we all know, the robots are used for handling materials, cutting, welding, coloring, coating, drilling, and polishing in the industrial field. Next is the military works. It is the here the robots can reach inaccessible and difficult areas or zones where the humans need to reach with a difficulty. They are used to reach there. The robot like Daksh, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, is in the functioning to destroy the life-threatening objects safely without any human indulgence. The next area is the medicine. The robots are capable of carrying out hundreds of clinical tests simultaneously, rehabilitating the permanently disabled people and performing the complex surgeries such as brain tumors. Uh, Now the next application area is exploration. The robot uh, is used in the rock climber by the rock climbers, used for space exploration. Underwater drones are used for sea ocean explorations. And the last but not the least, the application area is entertainment. The Disney engineers have already created hundreds of robots for their movie making and to make a more visualized movies with the help of robots. So these are some of the application areas of robotics, and many more areas can be, uh, but the robots can be used in many more other areas. I hope till now whatever I have delivered to you about the robotics is useful to understand the robotics field. Uh, Thank you.